Where did she go? Quick, search the area.
I lost them. Now I must find a place to hide.
Perfect! I can hide next to the sweet kitty.
Let me in!
Who is that? What am I going to do now?
Come on, I can do this.
I found you, kitty!
Let's get you all clean, kitty. Now let's brush your fur nicely, honey.
Attention! Police are searching for a green zombie in a white dress. The zombie we are looking for is very dangerous. If you see her, report it to the police immediately.
Oh my god! They've come to get me! What are we gonna do?
Is anybody in there? Open the door!
Shh! Be quiet! I'm gonna hide! Don't tell anyone!
Check all the rooms! Let's go! Move!
We're looking for the zombie woman in this picture. Have you seen her, little one? What was that sound?
Oh my god, I have to do something! We tricked them! Thank you, you clever little one!
Open your mouth, little one!
I found her. Get here now.
I'm resisting!
Hold her steady!
My sweet friend, I've missed you so much.
Hello, friends! Come on over and taste the delicious ice creams. The most delicious ice creams are right here.
Oh my god, what beautiful ice creams! Can I have one too, please?
Here you go, sweet kitty. Here is the world's most delicious ice cream. Enjoy!
Oh no!
Calm down, everyone. I am here. We will solve all the problems, and we will heal the kitten.
Oh my goodness, my sweet baby, what are you doing? Meow. Meow. Now, you wait here, okay? I'll be right back.